right. Got a little cross mix. We have some red iron and some cold form. So this is kind of a hybrid right here. This is what you call cold form C channel. So people are like, well, what gauge is it? Well, typically this is going to be your 12 gauge. Okay, and this is going to be 14 gauge, so 12 to 14 gauge. You'll ask, well, what's stronger? Well, the good thing about this is this does not rot. Take a flame to it, it does not burn. So this is where you're going to save a ton of money. Insurance on your monthly insurance breaks, you're going to save money on. If everything is steel, you're going to save money on the build. Okay, if it's wood, if it's combustible, then your insurance policy go up. Now this would apply also to residential, but mainly a lot to commercial, because commercial insurance is super expensive. But when you make the whole project out of steel, then you save yourself thousands and thousands, not millions, down the road. For residential, you'll save thousands as well, because every penny matters. Okay, so by going all steel with the infrastructure, and with even we're even thinking about coming out with a product, a home, all steel home, or even a cross brace. Rather than using concrete, we use all steel flooring. So imagine this being all steel, and then you lay your plywood on top of it, and then that would come up 3 foot. There's a lot of people down in Florida and Texas, South Texas, struggling with flooding. Okay, Florida is going to have a ton of flooding. So if you can get your house off the ground and elevate to 3 foot, so if it does flood, it doesn't flood your house. That is something to consider when you're building your home. So concrete's great, it's fantastic, but there's another system out there that we're looking to come out with. So check us on the web at coltfirm.com, coltfirm.com. We are a one-stop shop from financing, steel buildings, steel erection, general contracting, and plans, engineering. So we have licensed PEs that can stamp and seal your plans to code, so we can pull the permits and actually build your house. So you guys look for us on the web, and hopefully these videos help give you guys a better understanding of how these builds are conducted. Okay, just show you a couple more things, see how they bolt everything together. There's no welds, it's all pre-engineered, pre-bolted. Okay.